So we can rebuild this CV. We start by installing the first U-joint. With these U-joints, you want the caps to go back on the same location they came off. This is important. Put that in, turn that cap there, and we can put this one back here. Flip and reinstall. None of this should need to be hit very hard, just enough to set it. Give her a couple taps on the side, which helps loosen the U-joint in place. Then press the ball back in. Got an arbor press over here, I'm going to do that quick. Okay, so that's pressed back into there. And then we have a seal, goes over the top of all that. I use a little ball peen to set this. You just want it flush around the edge. That part's ready. You can put this U-joint in here. I always lay my caps in a row so I know which is which. The reason because this type of U-joint has a pre-measured amount of grease installed. And if you get too much grease in a single cap, it blows the seals out. And the U-joint wears out much faster than it should. Okay, we can install the seal. I just made a tube to put these on. So we want to make sure that's set and flat all the way around. And then we can install the H-yoke, which goes over. And with the Spicer brand drive shaft, you'll 9 times out of 10 be using the copper clips. It's toleranced 4-spacer. They give you a handful of clips in each pack at different thicknesses in case you have yokes that are either worn out or toleranced differently, or U-joint's just not fitting quite right, needs to be snugged up. It may sound loud or like I'm hitting this hard, but I'm really not. It's just smooth, quick taps. You always want to make sure your clips set. If they don't set, there's a good chance you could spring the clip and then the cap will be soon to follow. Okay, now I got all that together. We want to put the spring into pin yoke. A little bit of grease inside the socket. Just keep everything lubricated. And I like to set this at a bit of an angle here, but straight. Well, straight this way. And then I'll flip the U-joint up to kind of match the angle going in. Caps still need to go on in order. I'll kind of rotate this in so that everything lines up with the socket. There we go. And then install the first cap. Second cap. Seat. Last 2 clips. Couple taps, and that is it.